Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today is Saturday, December 16th, right? So last Friday we ended the week on the 15th. So and the week started last week on the 10th, which was Sunday, right? So Sunday evening, market opens up, and this gold entry was even last Friday. I had it and I let it run over the weekend, and then on the 10th, when the Sunday opened up, the market opened up. So on Sunday, I closed it, and it reversed on me. Yeah, but still from here to here, 2020 to 2006, I close here. This is the first one. Then on the 11th, Monday, starting again, it's short setup here from 1998 to 1993. My entries are on the left here, showing here with the yellow mark, sell order, and SL move to break even plus sometimes 5, sometimes 10 pip. Here, 11th again, gold. That was the first one, and then this again, this entry from 1996 to 1978, sell entry is right there. This is US30. You will notice that a lot of like metal and indices trades this week. Forex trades, Forex pairs, very hard to trade nowadays. It's the month of December. Market is ranging a lot, and it's tough to trade. Right, so just keep that in mind. US30 trade, beautiful from the 40-minute chart all the way. You're gonna see more of this. This went up crazy. Nasdaq 40-minute entry here, and like look, everything is from the 40-minute or the 20-minute. The setup, the rules are the same. This is the entry here. 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 And even on the smaller time frame, you will see the same scenario. I'll show you. And okay, S&P 500 20. See, this is the same. This entry, exact the same rules. All the EMAs are aligned. Price, red candle is turning into blue. This indicates all the way down. Yellow is above the black. This is how it is. So these are, there are rules to follow. So this is what it is. Then USD yen to the downside is 190 pip on the 13th. Right? And then Euro yen 13 on the 13th, same day. It's 140 pip to the downside. And because the yen is all of a sudden start to get very strong. And I predicted that. So all yen pairs are supposed to be going down, and they did. The gold again going to the upside now on this one from 219 to 2034 on the 13th. And here you see US30. I told you that another one. So I closed this one here, then it dipped, another entry, and look how big the move is from 36,591 to 37,193. Buy orders right there as almost to break even plus. Same rule applies. Same entry is here. This is the entry. Could have taken this one, or this one, or this one. 4 entries since December 11, and look how big the moves are. This is how the system gives you entries, perfect entries. Now, this is the gold chart on the 15th. But this is not, this trade is not taken by my system, to be honest with you. I was teaching Elliott wave. So I wanted to show that how you open a trade according to the Elliott wave count and hold on to it. The Elliott wave goes a long way sometimes, especially wave C or wave 3, 1.618 of wave 1, big, right? Or wave B. So if you calculate, so this is wave B, then I'm expecting wave 3 to ending here. So according to this is a different approach than my system. My system, IV system, or my creative trading system is like a daily in and out, hit and run kind of thing, right? You open a trade on a daily range, and then before it ends up, you click. The day is over, you cash out whatever 70, 80, 100, 120 pip, right? But the other approach is the harmonic pattern. The other approach, third approach, let's say, the second approach is the Elliott wave. Third approach is the harmonic pattern, and they have different things, different way to open the trade. So this is, I opened it at the end of wave B. I was expecting that this probably will end here, and as soon as it start to drop, I open the trade, and I'm holding on to it, and I'm going to hold on to it until here. But I have a danger here that if this is wave 1, 3, 4, 5, according to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is wave 1, then I'm coming down here for wave 2, 61%. But if this is only ending wave 3, then wave 4 usually is 38%, which is right here. So this is a danger that if we start to go to the upside, then this could be wave 4, and then we might go up for wave 5 towards 2080. Okay, that was that is the target. So this is, yeah, the last trade. This one is, am I still holding on to it, the sell order? And if it start dropping here, then yeah, I have different levels I'm watching. So, but I'm gonna make a gold video, a separate gold video later on today, and show this one and what's happening in detail. So this is it for now. And let me show you that, on Thursday, I made a couple of 40-minute chart setup, and I posted on my Telegram, for example, like this one, Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, right? See, this is the setup, and it's showing that it's going to drop here, and then this thing showing it's going to drop here, right? Another one, I don't know where it goes, so I'm going to show you. So what happened to these charts, right? For example, this one, on the 14th, Thursday, I made this and I posted on my Telegram and I posted on the Forex Factory and here, there, that take advantage of it, and it's gonna drop. And it's gonna drop to here or 62.25. Look what happened to this chart. It came down all the way straight as I expected. The other trade, you can see here that this Pound Aussie, this is the one I posted on the Telegram as well, right? You just saw it. It's supposed to be coming down here, and then it will decide either it's going to go up or down. So the target was 88.81, and look what happened, 88.81. It's not touched. Yeah, well, it is touched yet. So the central line is 88.81. This below is 88.62. So it is touched exactly to this level here. And the third one was Euro Yen. I said that it's going to drop from here, somewhere here, right? And come down to 54.52. Look what happened to this one, 54.52. That's what I'm talking about. This system is so accurate if you play it right, if you do your analysis, which I do most of the time. I do these analysis, and then I post on in my Telegram for my subscribers, right? So they take advantage of it. And then, once you learn the system, it is very easy to take the trades from 7-minute chart or 20-minute chart as an entry chart. So yeah, so if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to trade like this, go on my website here, my creativetradingsystems.com, and you have several options here. You want to learn the whole business from A to Z, and not only forex trading, but metal and indices and anything else, learn through one-on-one coaching is available here, and my automatic robot is also available here. Before, I wasn't selling it, but now my son is selling it, so I thought, deal with it. I'm too old to hold on to it, so I gave it to him, and he can do whatever. So this is the trading robot. Most of these trades taken by this robot here. You saw all of these. Let me show you again. Not this one, but like this one. This is open. This trade was opened by my automatic robot, right? So it opens the trade, it applies the SL, all of that. This one as well. Most of them, this one as well, and this one as well. Beautiful entry here by there, but it was, market was fast, so it opened a little bit late. Right, by the time it opened the trade, it kicks in. You see there's several red candle posted already. It should be here somewhere, right? But that happens. It's called slippage, right? So when the market is too fast, even the EA, slows down a little bit. So, but it opened and it gave me a net 90 pip trade. So a lot of trades opened by this EA. This one also was opened by EA. Right. So this is how it works. I just wanted to share with you guys. And today's Saturday. Go on my website, subscribe, get the charts, get the system, start making the charts, prepare everything, and then start learning and trading like this. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get the setups. I'm gonna get some new setups and then post a new video, probably tomorrow, Sunday, for coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.